In this video, I am going to show you how to make yourself a handy dandy bag dispenser by repurposing an old coffee container and bags. First, I start off with an empty coffee container, small, and I cut a hole in the top, small little square hole, and this is what we will use to put our bags in. What I start off with is everybody has a pile of bags that you get from your local supermarket. So I grab my bags, this one in particular. You are going to want to fold it. See your creases? It's a nice bag. You're going to want to fold it in half again, so it kind of looks like this. And then fold it again. You want your fuzzy tops up here. Then you'll take the tops and you'll fold this one sideways. So it kind of looks like this. And then you will start to fold and roll your bags. Now you have it slightly rolled with a fuzzy top here. You save this just like this. Let's grab our next bag. I already pre-folded this one. You place the next bag loops on top of where you already were, and you continue to roll. Smooth it out. It's going to get puffy. You're going to continue to roll. You have this top little fluffs off the top and your flats on the bottom. Then we continue on. We are at the tail end of adding bags to our pile. So I have this nice bound pile of bags. My little fluffy ends are on top. My empty container. Shove it in. Put the cover on. And voila! One handy dandy bag dispenser.